Okay, so we just had that interesting interview with Jerome, the artist, and now we are heading back to Lugnasan because we went to Cambugahay this morning and it sucked because there was about 6 million people there and it was horrible. So now we're going to take the what's called the adventure trail here at Lugnasan, because when we went yesterday we only went to one part. We went to one waterfall and there's like 12. And again, shout out to the volunteers that have been doing all the work here on what they call now Zodiac Falls. And they got this trail that they've blazed. They go through Virgo, Taurus, Cancer, all the different waterfalls, and then again we'll end up down in Lugnasan again to go swimming. And props, I mean, there's an American dude, Trevor. We just found out he's 34 years old. He's single, and Len is all excited. Woo! But he's not here today. He's down at the port. Yeah, do you love me? So you meet Trevor. So we got to keep her away from Trevor. So we're gonna go check out the falls. So come along with us and check it out because it's a hot day and I need some water. And further down the trail, I'm hearing like the hooting of forest monkeys. I heard that. You hear that? They're out there. I'm telling you, they're out there. Okay, now this trail cuts down here, but there's a wall and it continues this way. So we're gonna continue this way. But I wonder what's down there. What do you think?
There's a wak-wak there.
There's a wak-wak. Wak-waks are they're disembodied heads that can fly around, and they're like monsters here in mythology. I think they don't have legs, and they fly like flapping their arms or some shit. I don't know, that's why she always does that. This looks like a hornet's nest. Yeah, pretty sure it is. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna hang out by the hornet's nest. Or it's ants? I don't know what it is. That's pretty cool though. If somebody knows, leave it down in the comments section. Wow. And we just ran into this guy. Looks like he's got some tuba going. And there's a tent here. I don't know who the tent belongs to. They got a fire pit over here. And we're just exploring. There's all these little paths branching off. We're gonna check out some of those. I don't know where anything goes. Oh, and look at this. There's some kind of hut thing up here. This is, you could do like a Philippines Blair Witch project here. No problem.
Ned? Are you okay? Ned?
Philippines Blair Witch, hon. I'll explain it to you some other time. Ayo! Ayo! Oh, they got these little camping areas. Alright, we're not going to go in there, but someone's got a tent set up in there. And hammocks. And they got like a little dirty kitchen area. I'm sure there's like people camping here and they're out doing something for the day. So here's Aries Falls. We got a little sign. And it's just a series of small falls before you get to Lugnasan. But the water's very clean, the water's very pure, and there's a nice pool of it, so I'm actually gonna go soak myself because I'm sweating. And you can see another fall further up. I'm gonna check it out. And there's all these cool little paths going everywhere. And this one is called Welcome to June's Gemini and Leo Falls Overlook. This overlooking part of the trail was discovered and created in large part by local volunteer June 2017. Thank you, June. And I wish I had hair. If I had hair, I would color it that color. And this is his discovery right here. And you got a little bamboo bridge going across it. And this is June's. And this is one of the falls that you definitely don't want to jump down into the pool. Yeah, life on the wild side, baby. And the further you walk up, the more waterfalls you find. I don't know what the name of this one is because I don't see a placard, but it's another waterfall. And I'm going in that water right now. Cool off. And further down the Zodiac Falls is actually like a nipa teepee made out of palm fronds. And there's a mosquito net inside, so someone's probably camping here, so we better get out of here before they shoot us. Because there's a lot of guns in the Philippines. So we're heading further down the easy trail. We're not going to do the adventure trail, because I'm 51 almost. Screw that. Oh look, someone's chinelas are here. This is slippery, slippery. There's some nice clean chinelas right here. Yeah, you're better off to have water shoes like Lynn is wearing than chinelas. But look, man, it's just so slippery. It's still fun. It's just slippery. Well, most things that are slippery are fun. Yeah. Creepy. Okay, whoa. I am sure-footed once again. Whee! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, I think I caught that on film.